5, okay?
I stuck.
Lily, speak your Irish accent.
My Irish accent.
It's pretty good.
I can't slide.
Aurora can do a whole lot.
Ready, I'm gonna throw this.
Look at all that snow.
Aurora can do a lot.
I need some more sweaters, Nadine was. I need some more
know
sweaters now.
I know an Irish
Way
word.
too much snow for my
I
liking.
know one Irish word. Wait, I want to jump in that. Can I? Dad, watch. Dad.
What? Brad, watch it. Boom.
Just like when you were a baby.
I'm not a baby. I can't see. I can't get up. I thought. I know what. I know one Irish word.
What?
I know one Irish word.
Bogan, I think is how you pronounce it, and it means sick.
Say it in the accent.
Say it in
Bogan.
the accent. It sounds like a different word.
Oh, what?
We can make frosty Herbert.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, that's huge. That's huge.
I want to go jump, but I don't have any snow pants on.
So I said double it up. Will you let me buy you snow pants now?
Only for here.
Okay, I will buy you snow pants then.
I noticed if you couldn't, only for here.
This baby's getting big.
Or for, not for school.
Yeah.
I want to slide,
Teenagers.
but I can't.
You want me to go spend $17 on snow pants for home, but
Yeah.
you won't wear them to school. The life of a
Because I
teenager.
don't go outside.
And you wear my coat. But you never like the coats we buy you, but then you like my coat.
Bottom of frosty Herbert is almost complete.
I'm doing the middle section.
Aw. How do you even start that?
Just start rolling it.
Make a snowball.
Yeah.
Roll it in.
You start out with like a small snowball, but you gotta roll it, Violet. Like Dad said, keep it packed in. Jeez, that's so big. Oh my God.
Once it's down and then you have a big one, then we're gonna have a
Spices like dog food rolled up.
No kidding.
Here, go, and I'll roll it in a little bit. There you go. Here you go.
Okay, there.
Start going down. Yes, I'm going sideways. Yeah. Are you still filming?
Yep.
Woo!
It's starting to hurt my hand. I gotta switch, or my finger. I gotta switch hands.
My gosh, Dad.
Holy crap.
Frosty the pervert's pretty big.
Wait, we should, I want to put my hat on it. Can I?
We'll
We
see.
should try to find something
You gotta pack it though, Violet. So make sure it stays packed because it's soft snow since it just came.
in the nose.
I know, Lily. We'll get there.
Oh,
My feet are kind
I'm not focused. What's going on?
Very big.
It's not focusing.
I don't know how to
Oh, hi, you're funny,
That's
babe.
super big. I should probably make mine in just the medium size.
Okay, watch. When you do that.
Why am I out of focus?
Oh gosh! Go down.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming.
When you